forecast for updates on this situation. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Lincoln area. Today, rain and a slight chance of thunderstorms this morning, then rain likely this afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Temperature falling into this lower 40s this afternoon. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming northwest this afternoon. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, breezy. Much cooler. Rain and snow likely. Freezing rain likely until midnight, then sleet likely after midnight. Patchy blowing snow after midnight. Little or no snow and sleet accumulation. Lows in the upper 20s. North winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Christmas Day, breezy. Much cooler. Snow and a slight chance of sleet in the morning, then snow likely and a slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Patchy blowing snow. Snow and sleet accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Highs in the lower 30s. Near steady temperature in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Monday night, a slight chance of rain until midnight. Patchy blowing snow until midnight. Snow likely. New light snow accumulation.